So this is a basic recipe for Boudin Blanc. I got 5 pounds of ground pork, about 3 bunches of parsley, 3 bunches of green onions, so it's somewhere around 8 ounces, give or take, depending on what you like. 8 ounces of pimento over here, a pound of liver. Couldn't find any fresh liver in town. And then you got your long grain rice, going to be about somewhere in the neighborhood of 8 ounces of that, about a quarter gallon of water. You're going to have 4 ounces of salt and 4 tablespoons of cayenne pepper and 2 tablespoons of black pepper, or you can go 3, whatever you like. And anyway, you'll mix all this up together, stick it in casings, and then steam it for about 45 minutes.